Coach, good evening, sir.
My boys, evening. How na dey?
Coach, problem dey o.
Wetin dey sup? Ronaldo don enter Barca?
No, sir.
Then give us Ronaldo to play for Champions League?
No, sir.
Wetin come be the problem? Talk, no dey keep me for suspense.
Coach, the thing dey even fear me to talk.
Na German machine o. Whoever don give us those German machine boys wey dey drink engine oil, say make we play for group stage.
Oh, na him make you dey fear like this? As long as say e no get anything to do with Ronaldo, you no need fear, hope dey.
Na him I don dey tell am since o, say make him no dey fear. At least we go fit use Salzburg and Lokomotiv Moscow take qualify.
Costa, leave that thing. Bayern Munich na.
Coach, no dey call that name where him dey.
Why? Wetin happen?
You no know say him still dey suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder because of that 8-2 wey those boys flog them when him still dey Barca. Him witness the horror firsthand and their name still affect am badly.
Sorry I no know. Anyway, wetin I bin wan talk na say those boys no dey strong like that again. Una no see the match wey dem play against Common Sevilla? To win they had them. Or you know see how Hoffenheim trashed them 4-1? Abeg make una no worry Joe. Even the engine oil wey people talk say them dey drink, na just hype be that.
Good one, boys. Make una no forget say I keep engine oil for front of door there. If you feel say you don't tire, go drink am so that it go lubricate your organs. We must to carry this Champions League back to back. Europe no go smell our back this season.
Yes, sir. Boys, Champions League fixture don't come out all these ones we una dey play now. Maybe wetin una go play for Champions League
But Kochi, you no need to worry now. Our group not too tough like that.
Yeah, baba there. Maybe West Brom una go momoshously draw. In short, come out for here. Go give me 1,000 laps.
How about Kochi? I go get hamstring
Come out for here, Joe. If you like, get G-string. Now your problem be that. And you, Edward Mendy, your former team dey our group make I no hear say them score you 1 goal. Unless you want make I mend you.
No problem, sir. Person tell me say PSG and Leipzig dey our group
Not true. Those guys go disturb especially that PSG.
Una dey fear? We go qualify now. Make una no worry.
You sure?
No be me dey carry the team for head.
God forbid, Patton. You never even carry yourself finish. Na team you won't come carry.
Wetin una dey talk like this? No be me score that world-class free kick.
I swear, Pogba, no get sense.
See, boy, no come insult me for here.
Why I no go insult you? You wey all your potential don't expire finish.
No be lie. Pogba, you no get potential again We no even need you, sef.
Una no sabi wetin una dey talk. I go report una give Ole.
Neymar, you don't see the Champions League group stage fixtures?
No, big teams dey our group.
Yes, so in short, sef, our group na group of death.
Now what for UEFA Which teams come be these ones now?
Omo, them go carry Man U and that Leipzig put for our group
Who be the last team?
E be like say na Red Bull Basaka share.
Which kind team come be that one? I never hear them for my life.
Oh, sorry. Na Istanbul Basaka share.
Istanbul?
Yes, na him be that.
That one na team. Even the other two where you call safe. Them no sabi play ball. Man U wey dey like person wey no get bone for body. I been think say na Liverpool, Bayern, and then maybe Barcelona or Juventus dey our group. All these ones where you call now, na ball them dey learn now.
Wetin they talk like this? No be Man U comot us from Champions League that year.
Na because I no play na. No be you and the other Mumu Di Maria play the match. Una sabi play ball.
Your papa there. See this Mumu boy Now he comes sabi play ball.
Yes na. Na me be Samba King.
Samba kill you there. You think say Samba na football? Go Premier League, play that nonsense. Make we see if them no go clear your destiny. Na premature retirement you go retire. And if you no retire, na 20 years injury you go take retire. Mumu boy.
Come back here. Na me they talk to like this. You dey mad? In short, come carry my boot, go wash.
Your papa there.
Babe, what's up? Why you leave me for Real Madrid now?
I been no warn you. I tell you say make you no follow my footsteps. But you know the gree hear word.
Kai! This move na mistake E can't be like say I no sabi play ball. Come on, Vinicius, they bench me.
At least my own even better. Na Ronaldo been dey shadow me. You, na that Vinicius dey shadow you. Person wey no even fit juggle ball. You dey on a very long thing.
Wetin I go do now? I be won't go back to Chelsea, but Lampard don't carry my number 10 jersey give that small boy. I no sabi wetin to do now. Abeg, advise me.
You know wetin? Just go join that my golf club. Make you get peace of mind. If not, you go just run mad. Madrid na bad luck. Me, I don't go.
Chai! I don't die. Now so my career take finish. Me wey be one carry world best. Now Vinicius don't even bench me. Chai! I swear this life no balance.
Ororo, Champions League group stage don't come out
Finally. Who dey our group?
Na only one club The remaining 2 just dey there to complete am.
Which club come dey our group?
Barca.
Barca? Finally God don butter my bread. Make I call Messi. Messi, Champions League don settle.
Hope say Bayern no dey our group because me I still dey get nightmare on top that match.
No, UEFA carry Ororo put for our group.
Ronaldo? Chai! God good oh. Finally UEFA don get sense. Hello? Ororo? How far na? My guy just tell me say you dey my group oh.
Na why I call you na? You know say na me go top that group, ba?
For here, dem born you well. For which alternate universe you want top group? Make I tell you now, I go clear you home and away.
Da! Come on for here. You wey Bayern demolish.
You no be ordinary Leon comot you.
Last. Champions League na my league. Dem no born you well challenge me for there. No be La Liga we dey.
There they run your mouth. I get Ansu Fati oh.
If you like, get Maradona and Pele join. Champions League na my league.